Imagine that every time you interact with people, you let people take action because you know the formula to influence people. People like you, people trust you, people want to work with you. But here question arises that how exactly you will influence anyone, anywhere. It might be in your personal life or in your professional life. In this video, you will discover how you will influence anyone, anywhere. This is author Nayan Chaudhary and I am International Public Speaking Mentor. And so far, I have trained more than 10,000 corporate professionals and business leaders from 50 plus countries to speak confidently and fearlessly. Now let's talk about first step formula to influence anyone, anywhere. So the first step is building rapport. So whenever you interact with people, the first thing you must have is rapport. So what is rapport? It means that whenever you interact or talk to people, people feel great emotions towards you. They feel that they know you, they like you, or they can trust you, and they feel great connection with you. So you have to build rapport. But here question arises that how exactly you will build rapport. Let's talk about that. So the first way to build rapport is finding commonalities. So you always have to find commonalities. That what are the common things between you and the other person? It might be related to your personal life or their personal life or professional life. It doesn't matter. But find out commonalities. Commonalities about work or about that environment or some place. Imagine that you met one person and while interacting, you came to know that there are so many common things between you and the other person. So what will happen after that? You tend to like that person. You tend to build great relationship with that person. Why? Because here you get to know about them and you feel that the other person is just like you. And as a result, that relationship goes ahead. So here, whenever you interact with people, always find commonalities because commonalities leads to rapport and you influence people towards you. Second way to build rapport is show your genuine care and concern for people. Have you ever observed yourself that whenever anyone shows their genuine care and concern towards you, you tend to listen to that person? Yes, and you know what? That same exact thing happens when you show your genuine care and concern for people. People listens to you when you do that. So please show your genuine care and concern. Seek ways to help people, but it doesn't mean that you are helping people because you want something from them. Okay? Help people genuinely. And yes, don't forget to make people feel special because people will forget what you said, but they will never forget how you make them feel. So make people feel special and show your genuine care and concern. Third way to build rapport is mirroring. So what is mirroring? It means that copying the other person, copying their body language, their behavior, their voice tone, the way they speak. Have you observed yourself that whenever you are having a deep conversation, deep connection with the other person, it might be your friend, client, colleague, anyone. Whenever you're having a deep connection, you tend to copy that person. You tend to copy the body language of the other person. And you will also observe yourself that you are speaking just like them. You are speaking in their language. Your tone is like them. So this is a power of mirroring. And the great thing is, when you are doing so, you are having a great connection with the other person. So you must leverage this. So here we are going to talk about that how you will mirror the body language of the other person. So let's imagine one situation where the other person is folding their hands. So what you will do after 7 to 10 seconds, you will also fold your hands. Let me give you another example. Let's say that the other person is leaning towards you. So what you will do after 7 to 10 seconds, you will also lean towards them. Let's imagine that they are crossing their legs. So what you will do after 7 to 10 seconds, you will also cross your legs. So in this way, you need to copy the other person. But this does not mean that the moment they did that activity and immediately you are doing it. No. Let me give one example. Let's say that they are crossing their hands and immediately you are crossing your hands. They are leaning towards you and immediately you are leaning towards them. No, you shouldn't do that. It should be genuine. It should be slow. Make sense? So please mirror the body language of the other person, mirror their tone, mirror their language, and you will find that you are having deeper connection with the other person. So if you want to learn this in detail, then I would highly recommend you to become part of my 60 days social skills challenge, because there I have shared with you that how exactly you will approach people successfully, how you will have charisma while interacting, while talking to people, how you will take your confidence to the next level, how you will handle problematic people like a pro. Moreover, you will master public speaking skills and a lot more. So for what you are waiting, just go ahead, check out the complete details about 60 days social skills challenge. Check out that. And guess what? The great news is next batch is starting from 14th August. And that is 7th batch. We have already conducted 6 batches. This is a magnificent opportunity for you to take your social skills to the next level. And the beauty of this program is that you will get hand-holding support, personalized guidance, personalized attention in live workshop. And for the next 60 days, you will receive challenges. And you need to complete that challenges and I will give you personalized feedback. So this is a beauty that I will give you feedback for your challenges. Let's face it, nobody gives you personalized feedback, but here you are receiving that. So for what you are waiting, just go ahead, check out the description. There I have provided you complete details about 60 days social skills challenge. In that details itself, you are going to get link to enroll. So go ahead, check out that and enroll yourself right away and become part of 7th batch. Go ahead, do it. Now let's talk about the second step to influence people, and that is understanding. The first step which you got to do is you need to build rapport, and after that you need to understand the other person. You need to understand the needs, the wants of the other person. You need to understand their goals. You need to understand their obstacles, the problem, the challenges which they are facing. So here you need to understand them, and for that you need to ask questions to them. Ask questions to them that what do you want from this job, from this relationship, or from this business? What exact results do you desire? What are your goals towards your relationship, towards your business? So here you are going to ask questions to them. And what are the problems, what are the obstacles you are facing in your life when it comes to developing the great relationship or taking your business to the next level? So once you will ask questions to them, they will start speaking and you will understand them. So here is what you got to do. You got to listen to them very carefully. So this is what you need to do. You need to understand their needs, their wants, their desires. Second thing, you need to understand their goals, that what exact goal they have in their life, what exact goal they have for their business. Understand that. Third thing, you need to understand their obstacles, their challenges, their problems which they are facing, so that you will help them to conquer it. So once you understand it, then you are going to give them solutions to conquer their obstacles. And for that, you need to talk as per their benefits. Third step to influence anyone, anywhere is benefits. So whenever you interact with anyone, make sure to talk as per their benefits. Understand, as a human being, we are always driven by our benefits. We always listen to the other person if we see some value in it. If we see that interaction is going to help me out. Yes? And that's why you got to leverage it. Here you need to talk as per their benefits because we are driven by our benefits. So the first thing which you got to do is you need to build rapport, and then you need to understand their needs, wants, desires, their goals, their obstacles, their challenges, their problems which they are facing. And once you understand that, you are going to give them solutions. So whatever solutions you have in your mind, as per that, you're going to tell them their benefits which they will get in their life. So you're going to tell them that what are the benefits they will get in their present life, in their future. Okay, to others, which is who are connected with them. What are the benefits which their loved ones will get, which their employees will get. Make sense? So you are going to talk as per their benefits. Here, I would highly recommend you that before having important conversation, please grab paper and pen and write down all the benefits which your clients will get, which your customers will get. Okay, so once you will write down that, you will have complete clarity in your mind that what are the benefits they will get. Yes? So please go ahead, implement this. Next step to influence anyone, anywhere is pain. What? Pain. So whenever you're going to interact with people, always ask this question to yourself that how my services will remove their pain. What? How my services will remove their pain. And you need to let them know that if they will not take action, then how it will give them pain in the long run. What? How your services will remove their pain, and if they will not take action, how it will affect their life in future. What are the pain they will get in future. So now let's talk about that how your services will remove their pain. So here you need to talk about that how it will remove their pain. That they will be stressless, they will be stress-free, they will not have any nervousness, any hesitation, and they will become fearless. So you need to let your client, your customer know that how your services will remove their pain. And if still they're thinking, then what you got to do is you need to let them know that in a long run, what are the pain they will get. That in a long run, they might have more losses. In a long run, they will carry all that pain with them. And because of that, they will lose a lot of opportunities in their life. So next time, whenever you will interact with people and whenever you want people to take action, then you must use this 4-step formula to influence people. The first step is you need to build rapport. Second step is you need to understand them. Okay, you need to understand their needs, their wants, their desires, their goals, their obstacles, their challenges, their problems. And once you understand that, you are going to give them solutions. Okay, and the third step is you need to talk as per their benefits. Okay, and fourth step is you need to talk as per their pain. That is how your services will remove their pain. And if still they are thinking about it, that okay, whether they should go for it or not, tell them that how it will give them pain in a longer run. Make sense? So next time, make sure to use this 4-step formula to influence people. If you want to learn this in detail, then I would highly recommend you to become part of my 60 days social skills challenge, because there I am going to share with you that how exactly you will approach people, take the conversation ahead, and how you will end the conversation, how you will influence people towards you, how you will captivate people towards you, and a lot more. You will master public speaking skills, you will learn how you will give feedback and receive feedback effectively, how you will handle problematic people like a pro. So many things you are going to learn. I don't want you to miss this. Go ahead, check out the description. There I have given you the complete details about 60 days social skills challenge, and also I have provided you their link to enroll. Go ahead right now and enroll yourself in 60 days social skills challenge. And once you will complete all the challenges which I am going to share with you, you will get massive transformation in your life. Here you might be thinking that why I'm so much confident about that. The reason is results which my mentees have got. My mentees have got magnificent results by completing all the challenges. And I'm sure once you will enroll and once you will complete all the challenges, you will get massive transformation in your life. So I want to see that transformation in your life. But for that, you need to take that step. You need to take the initiative. And I know you are going to do that. I know you want that transformation in your life. So go ahead, enroll yourself right away, and I'll see you inside the program.